welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 40. It's May 16th, 2026. We've got some really cool AI stuff to talk about today. Let's dive in. So imagine someone could make a video that looks exactly like you, saying things you never said. That fake video could spread on social media before you even know it exists. YouTube just rolled out a free tool that lets every adult creator fight back against those deepfakes. The system asks you to record a short selfie-style video of your face once. YouTube's AI then treats that recording like a fingerprint of how you look and move. From then on, it watches new uploads and sends you an alert if it spots something that matches your likeness, but is not really you. Think of it like handing the platform a photo of your house key so it can spot any copies someone tries to slip into a door. Deepfakes have already shown up in school projects and everyday online harassment. This tool gives you an early warning instead of finding out from friends after the video spreads. The feature is rolling out now in the Creator Tools section of the YouTube app or website. You just need your phone camera and a couple of minutes to record the scan. No coding or special gear required. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive where we look under the hood. Today's concept is called Mixture of Experts, and the new EMO model uses it in a clever way. Picture a big group project at school where you do not make every person do every job. One teammate handles research, another builds the slides, and someone else practices the presentation. The AI model works the same way inside. It keeps different expert parts that each specialize in one kind of task, like answering science questions or writing stories. When a new question arrives, the model quickly picks only the experts that match that question, instead of waking up the whole team. The EMO model takes this further by training those experts on whole topics rather than tiny word patterns. That means you can turn off most experts and still get almost the same quality answers. The result is an AI that runs on phones or laptops without huge amounts of memory, because it is not dragging every expert along for every task. So next time someone says mixture of experts, picture that smart study group that only calls in the right teammates. And that is basically how the new approach works. Not so mysterious after all. Now let's look at some cool stuff you can try yourself. First up is a free Mac app called Osaurus that puts both local and cloud AI in one place. It lets you run models that live on your own computer alongside bigger models that run online. Your files stay private on your device when you want, yet you can still reach stronger cloud models for bigger jobs. Perfect for students working on homework or creative projects while keeping control of their data. Download Osaurus from the Mac App Store, open a saved PDF on your computer, and ask it to summarize the file first. Then switch to a cloud model for a more creative writing task, and watch how the answers change. No terminal commands or complicated setup. Just pick a model from the menu and start chatting. Next, Runway is making AI video generation simple enough for anyone. Their tool turns a text description into a short video clip. If you enjoy making TikToks or YouTube shorts, this could let you create visuals without filming everything yourself. Head to the Runway site, sign up for the free tier, and type a prompt like a cat skateboarding through a neon city at night. Try different styles and notice how the motion looks in the 5-second clip. Experimenting like this helps you see what the AI handles well and where it still struggles. Time for a couple of quick bits. A lab called Andon Labs built 4 radio stations run entirely by AI models like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok. The models pick music, write scripts, and host the shows with zero human help, which creates some weird and off-topic moments. It shows how far agent-style AI has come while also highlighting what happens when no one steers the output. Google updated its search rules so anyone trying to trick its AI overviews gets treated like traditional spam. Stuffing content with hidden keywords or fake signals will now hurt rankings the same way old spam tactics did. The change should lead to cleaner, more honest answers at the top of results, as more people rely on AI summaries. And that's a wrap. If any of today's stories made you go, that's cool, go play with it. Curiosity is how every expert started. See you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at @Nara Network. Links in the show notes. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.